have one thing in common: discipline. Discipline to eat healthy food. Discipline to work out regularly. Discipline to get up earlier. Discipline to never give up. Discipline to believe in themselves. They laugh at you when you start at the bottom. They ignore you in the middle. They hate you when you get to the top. You can't have everyone's approval. It is better to focus on yourself. People respect the money, not the person. A poor person has no friends. If he has, then they are not fake. In life, two things define you. One, your patience when you have nothing. Two, and your attitude when you have everything. People like good looks and not good tuts. Nobody care about your degree when you drive a Rolls Royce. If you hang around 5 confident people, you will be the 6th. If you hang around 5 intelligent people, you will be the 6th. If you hang around 5 millionaires, you will be the 6th. If you hang around 5 idiots, you will be the 6th.
$6 in profits. The employee gets to spend $64 on expenses and pay $20 worth of taxes. The business gets to spend $80 and only had to pay $4 in taxes. The sole distinct difference between both, whether you get to spend money before you pay taxes or after you pay taxes. Learn something new today. Follow me for more business tips. Bye for now. Here's why it's better to run a business than being an employee. The employee makes $100 by working hourly. The business makes $100 from a sale. Before the employee gets his money, taxes have to be paid. The business, however, gets to spend the whole $100 on all kinds of expenses. They get to reinvest by taking write-offs. After taxes, the employee gets $80. After expenses, the business still has $20. It's not over yet. The employees still have to pay for expenses. Business have to pay taxes. At the very end, they are both left with $16 in profits. The employee gets to spend $64 on expenses and pay $20 worth of taxes. The business gets to spend $80 and only had to pay $4 in taxes. The sole distinct difference between both, whether you get to spend money before you pay taxes or after you pay taxes.
Paligyan insurance. Ang mong ginahimo lang jud is kami kliyente me sa insurance ay nakita na mo importansya niya mao na ginatudlo po namo siya. Usa mga insurance na dapat kitang tanan na ata. First, life insurance. Jan, unsa maning life insurance? In kaso lang nakuhaon na ta ni Lord na ay kwarta madawat ang imuhang anak, ang imuhang asawa, ang imuhang ginikanan, ang imuhang siblings. Nganong inana man ang value sa life insurance? Kay what if ikaw ang breadwinner? Kinsa diri ang breadwinner? Kinsa diri ang wala kasabot unsay breadwinner? Ang breadwinner, ikaw ang nagapabuhit sa pamilya nimo. Ikaw ang nag-finance, ikaw nagapalit og mga groceries, pambayad siguro tuition, pambayad sa kuryente, arkila, tubig, ikaw ang naga-provide. So ang life insurance, labaw na ko ikaw ang breadwinner, income replacement maguna siya. Kaya kung mawala ka ba, ang imuhang pamilya, naagya po na sila gasto. Ang problema lang na wala na silang source of income, which is ikaw. Ang sakit lang sa life insurance na reality na kailangan mo sabton, dili ikaw ang makinabang, pero ikaw ang nagbayad. Ang makinabang, imuhang next generation. Diri masulod ang importansya sa ikaduhang insurance. Ang ginatawag na tong health. Mao na siya kung magkasakit ka. Cancer, tumor, kung sa pailain ng mga sakit diha ni admit ka sa ospital. Ang good thing lang ani kay ikaw ang nagbayad, ikaw pud ang makinabang. Pwede ka mo kuha og policy mo ni tawag nila, policy na naay life insurance na naapoy health insurance. Sir, naa naman ko'y PhilHealth. Dili naman ako ni kailangan. Question, enough ba ang PhilHealth? Dili. Kabalo naman tana. Sunod, funeral. Kung magpalubong ka, kinahanglang yuta, dili. So pag yuta, kinahanglang ka, mugasto ka, dili. Mugasto. Unya, kabaong nimo, gasto, dili. Gasto. Nya naapay mga lamay. Uban man gud ang gusto nila may tabo kay ipakremate sila, sunugon sila. Unya, ibutang sila sa garapon na sosyal, mahal man na siya. Unya, dalhon sa balay. Kay para ang presence niya kay naagi hapon. O sunod, non-life. Tama sa motor, sakinan, balay, wala siya. Kinsa diri ang naay motor? Katong mga motorista diri, naa mo insurance wala. Ang motor ang naa, ang tag-iya wala. Sa ato pa, kung naa kay insurance sa imong motor, pero sa imong sariling kinabuhi, wala. Sa laktod ng pagstorya, mas importanteng motor kaysa imuha. Pero nga naman imo ginapa-insure ang motor para in kaso lang maaksidente ka, nya imo ipa-repair, mas gamay imuhang gasto. Naay upat ka klaseng insurances na dapat kitang tanan na ata. Mo ning ginatawag na tong essential insurances. Ako mismo dili ko insurance.
Instead, say explore. When you say try, then that implies that you might fail at something. But when you say explore, then that means there's an opportunity for you to grow and learn.
What are 3 words to never say in sales?
Number 1 is expensive. Instead, say premium. Like, which one sounds better? We have an expensive product or we have a premium product for you. Number 2 is cheap. Instead, say affordable. People associate cheap with low quality. But if you say affordable, then they think that they're getting a good deal out of it. And number 3 is try. Instead, say explore. When you say try, then that implies that you might fail at something. But when you say explore, then that means there's an opportunity for you to grow and learn.
What are
Be closed. By dialing *#06#, you will get the IMEI number of your phone. 4 secret codes of your mobile, which no one will tell you. Go to dialer, write *#07# and dial this code. You see your phone SAR value. This is how you can know how much harmful radiation your phone have. The government says that the SAR value should be less than 1.6. Otherwise, it can be harmful for the body. If you dial *#21#, then you will know whether your private calls and messages are being forwarded to anyone else. If it is, then dial it. ##21#, then it will be closed. By dialing *#06#, you will get the IMEI number of your phone. 4 secret codes.
So, if somebody asks you if they can actually make a phone call with your phone, you have to be careful because they can just put in a code, *401#, and then put any number, and all your messages and all your phone calls will be forwarded to that number. If you want to check if somebody has done that to you, just type in the following code. You type in *#21#, and then dial. And your phone will show you if you have forwarding activated or disabled. If you want to be on the safe side, just type in #002#, and then it will disable all